good morning. Merry Christmas! We got a few minutes left. I have to leave Team AA White's live show. Oh my gosh, ang daming tao doon. But I have to leave because we have to open the gifts. OMG, ayan. Okay, everything's ready. Everybody's dressed. There you go. Angel is there. Penelope, are you ready?
Yeah!
Kuya, are you ready?
Super excited!
Are you ready? Are you ready, Ray? Yes, they're all ready. Ayan.
Something evil.
Wow, brother, what is that, brother? You got a bag, brother. Yeah. A Gucci bag. That's your favorite.
Yes, every man.
Yeah, Everyman Jack. Brother left. Brother left. I don't know why brother left is brother over there. Oh, brother get to spin the money. But you have to dance, brother. Dance, brother. You got this, brother.
Perfect. Then you can go to your girlfriend's house and say, Madam, good evening. I'm here to court your daughter. Wow, so much fun. Oh, to Penelope from
Good morning, Lolo. Ayan, nagbablog si Mami Lolo, oh.
Love lights? Yes. Let's go! I needed these.
A little more gift left. Gabriel, I'll teach you how to deal with your toys. Your mom is talking to you. You better listen. So you... I do want it. Okay, this is the most precious gift
From me.
from Ate Angel.
Thought and hard work.
Yes, with all the thoughts and all the heartache and all the heart.
So much hard work put into this.
Yes, so much hard work put into this box. It's all for Gabriel. Okay? So, let's witness this thing. Oh, really? I don't furrow. Hold on, because it's out of focus.
Oh, I gotta get it.
It cannot see your face. All right, let's go.
What's the sticky note say?
We have
Read it out loud.
Okay, Merry Christmas. Since you have been a pain for me,
Lah, nalubat.
I have wrapped the gift that Daddy bought difficultly. You get the best and biggest gift.
Jeez.
You can only use it one time.
Oh, Gabi cannot read anymore.
Merry Christmas, have fun. There's one time only.
There's scissors one time only.
You wait for mommy then.
She's looking,
Yes.
she's looking for the FedEx box. She's over there. Oh.
Where's Marianne? She's not.
Ben, go stand over there, Ben.
It's actually for
Ben.
me. Yes, I know what it is.
Yeah, I remember. You
And then you have to go to Wow!
Ben,
It's so pretty.
What did you get, Ben?
Show it so. Wow. Oh, this looks like Gabi. Last one for Gab.
oh, whoa, what
Okay,
is
Gab.
this?
Yeah, make sure all these toys are not everywhere.
You're not in it yet.
You're talking about Monopoly.
Oh, I thought it was a book. Okay, you want me to
Thank
turn
you
it
so
off?
much for watching. Merry Christmas again.
No, I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow, and my heart's going boom, boom,